Welcome back to Tough Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P0351 ignition coil A, primary secondary circuit, malfunction, code. If you're getting P0351, it means that there's something wrong with the ignition coil on cylinder number 1. For example, if you got a bad ignition coil, or you got a wire issue or a connector issue or a circuit issue, you're going to get P0351 code. Before you do anything, always check the connector on the ignition coil. Make sure the connector is not loose, make sure the connector is not damaged, and make sure that the wires on it are not open. If the connector is good and the wires are fine, the next thing I suggest doing is swapping the ignition coil with a good one. So take cylinder number 1 ignition coil and swap it with the good ignition coil on cylinder number 2. And if the problem follows, and just say the problem is now on cylinder number 2, that's how you know you're going to have a bad ignition coil. The next test you could do is called a power balance test or a cylinder drop test. So what you're going to do is you're going to disconnect cylinder number 1 ignition coil and listen for a change in RPM. If you hear no change at all, it could mean that, again, either you got a connector issue, a wire issue, or you have a bad ignition coil. The next test you could do is to check for spark. So get your test light and connect it to battery negative. And next, you want to remove the ignition coil with the connector still on it. Next, take your test light and hold it right in front of the ignition coil, about half an inch away. You should see a spark. If you see no spark at all, that's how you know you're going to have a bad ignition coil or a bad connector or wire. However, if you see spark coming out of the ignition coil and it looks bright white, it means that there's nothing wrong with the ignition coil or wire. Now you see a very faint orange or reddish like spark and this looks extremely faint. That's how you know you're going to have a failing ignition coil. While the ignition coil is out, make sure to inspect the boot on the ignition coil, and if it looks cracked like this ignition coil over here, that's how you know the ignition coil is failing. The next test you could do is a water test. Take a spray bottle and, of course, with the engine running, spray directly on the ignition coil. And if you see it arcing and it's making a crackling sound, that's how you know there's going to be a crack somewhere on that ignition coil. The next test you could conduct is going to be a resistance test. So you're going to check the resistance on the ignition coil and you're going to compare it to manufacturer spec. So that's how you're going to fix P0351 code. I hope you found that lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.